to find the moving average, we add the first 5 days, 1 through 5, and then we're going to divide by 5 because we're finding the average over those 5 days. So on your calculator, add those 5 and divide by 5. Anybody got it yet? So for days 1 through 5, we add those 5, divide by 5. You should get $35.22. If you didn't get that, let me know. I'll help you enter it in your calculator. Everybody good with that? Okay, now we've got to find the average for the next 5 days. So I did, for the first one, we did days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to use days 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So days 2 through 6, what is the moving average? So I'm going to add those 5 days and divide by 5. So you get 35.31 for days 2 to 6. For days 3 through 7. You must have forgot a number. Just look at that's a good way you can check that. Yeah, they're all in the 30-something, so the average should be in the 30-somethings. $35, $32. Okay, and then go 4 through 8. Should get 35.55. Days 5 through 9. That one should give you 35.74. And then days 5 through 10. Should be 3589. You have any questions about how we find a moving average? You good? Now for this one, we got to graph these values. So some of these problems, they may ask you to graph them. So that's a lot to have to graph. So we're going to do it using Desmos. Desmos. So go on your laptop to Desmos. Desmos.